Guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you how to disconnect the mowing in reverse shutoff, okay, on a Craftsman T100. So on other videos you see in here that there are little it's like a metal piece here where the shifter hits and it shuts the mower right off. But actually on the T100s, if you go down here, right, under here, see that yellow plug? You unplug that, okay, and then for the safety shut-off seat, you unplug both of these, okay? And I'll see you later. Bye.